This is Dusty checking out the silverware drawer. You think I can get him to throw any on the floor when I got the camera on? No, sir. He's got about a half a dozen down there now that he just threw out. You see in a minute now MoJo comes out, wondering what the hell's going on out here. Here he comes. Hear his nails clicking on the floor. And here's my sawdust bin. Finally. I think it's 7.5 feet wide, 10 feet or 12 feet long, and 7 feet high. That's the blower system up on the top there, with the bagger in it. And all the way around the sides too, except for the front here. There's a vent, 1 inch. Never got a chance to paint that other door. But that whole back now opens right up. There's hinges on the whole back. The whole back swings right out. And it'd be easy to dump. Heavy duty suspension underneath there, boy, I tell you. It was, I don't know what kind of trailer it was. It was all steel frame and 3/8 plate welded to it. So the floor of it's a piece of 3/8 inch steel plate. Take a while for that to rot away. There it is right there on the steel I-beam. Here's a mantle we just made yesterday for a guy to put in on his fireplace. His fireplace is all brick, and the mantle now is brick, and he don't like it. So this is custom made to his sizes to slide on over the brick and cover his existing mantle that he has. Hello there. Welcome to Shutter Shop. Yeah, this is it. Shutter Shop. Just the ones in that book you sent up, Pop. Of course, with knotty pine, you get a knot, you pitch it, right? Nothing to it. Almost. Cutting up all the strips is the worst part. There you go. Just keep doing that, and when you end up, you got this. Looks like a shutter, actually. Now these are just for out in the pool house, so I never sanded those strips. They still got the saw cuts in them, as you can see.
There you go. Homemade shutters. I'm making what? 8 and 2 is 10. 2 is 12. I'm making 12 of these. 8 this particular size. 2 a little wider, not as long. And 2 more a little bit narrow and 3 times as high for the door. These are going out in the change house. That's where the sauna is. No. And this makes 14 by 36 and a half. Guy just came half hour or so ago. Picked up his mantle. Took it home, showed his wife. Called me back. Now he gave me an order for some doors. So he must have liked it, I guess.